We've already talked about the uSense earbuds that come bundled with the HTC Uplay, but the phone arrives light on multimedia applications. That does make it much easier to decide which app to use though, as you've got just one choice. HTC has opted to use Google's suite of apps, which include Play Music and Play Movies and TV. The former gives you standard music playback for any tracks you download onto the Uplay, but Google also offers its own subscription streaming service through the app, if you'd rather have instant access to millions of songs without actually owning any. You can always install third-party alternatives such as Spotify or Tidal if you're already allied with those services, though, so you're not totally tied to Google's way of playing music. Audio quality via the wired, USB-C connected bundled earbuds is very good, with rich bass and resonating midtones providing a pleasing listening experience. However, it's not all good news. The lack of a headphone jack will irk some audiophiles, and the fact that HTC doesn't even provide a 3.5mm adapter in the box further frustrates. Indeed, the 3.5mm adapter sold by HTC will only work with HTC devices, and vice versa, further limiting options available. Audio quality from the internal speaker also disappoints, especially as this has generally been an area where HTC has excelled in the past. Playback is tinny and distorted, making for uncomfortable listening. The poor speaker performance carries over to video playback and gaming, and you'll want to plug in the uSense earbuds or invest in a set of Bluetooth headphones to improve your experience on the Uplay. It is comfortable to hold though, with the curved, smooth rear providing a pleasing surface for your palms, while the lightweight design means you won't have your wrists aching 20 minutes into a blockbuster film. The 5.2-inch Full HD display provides a crisp, clear and bright viewing experience for both movies and games, although quality isn't as pin-sharp as you'll find on the larger QHD Ultra.